Cool off with XL Ice Pack. Prepping a barbecue on the hottest summer day? No sweat. Measuring at 7.25 inches by 1.5 inches by 8, this ice block's XL size has the capacity to keep food, drinks chilled longer than regular ice. Whether you're spending the day on a boat, prepping drinks for a tailgate or packing food for the campsite, this hard-sided XL ice block has your meal prep covered. For best results, stack multiple XL ice blocks at the top, around the sides of your insulated cooler. Durable, long-lasting. A long day on the road is no match for this XL hard-sided ice block. Food, drinks stay cold and dry on the hottest day without any mess. But don't let its large size fool you, it's dynamic enough to fit in an insulated cooler. Perfect for your backpack cooler, beach bag, picnic tote, and so much more. To maximize cooling power, freeze overnight for next day use. Better than real ice. Why trouble yourself with leaking bags of ice? While regular ice inevitably melts during a trip to the beach or a hot day on the hiking trail, this durable XL ice block is guaranteed to keep food, drinks cold up to 12 hours. It's easier to carry and less messy than digging for ice in your freezer or local grocery store. BPA-free, reusable, non-toxic. Built with BPA-free plastic and non-toxic leak-proof protection, the compact Cool Cooler's reusable XL ice block is break-resistant, withstanding the toughest tumbles. Easy to clean. Simply rinse off and pat dry. Cool Coolers by Fit Plus Fresh. Redefining the meaning of cool, the Cool Coolers brand is the most trusted reusable ice brand for its groundbreaking line of dynamic ice packs. Available in multiple sizes, colors, materials, and shapes, Cool Coolers is undoubtedly the best of the best for your insulated bags. Top reviews from the United States. Durable and big ice packs. I purchased these ice packs to use in the drink coolers for the Little League football team. When I fill a cooler with ice, the bottle's end up soaked and the labels peel off. Then you have to dump out the water and wait for the cooler to dry. These are a wonderful alternative. I throw 2 or 3 in my freezer overnight and put them in the cooler with the drinks. They keep the inside of the bag cold all day with the drinks ready for water breaks. The cooler, with about 24 small water bottles and 2 of these ice blocks, sit in the sun on the sideline for a good 2 hours and the water stays cold. The best part is there is no water to have to dump out after. I can just wipe them off and get them ready for the next game.